Hi kitties, welcome back to my channel.
Hi, Katie.
Oh gosh, that was so dry. Anyway, I am coming to you with a quick video. This video is pretty short. This is just showing how I mix my custom glitter mixes. So I have mentioned before numerous times, I get all my glitters from everywhere. That's Walmart, Target, Hobby Lobby, what's the other one? Michael's, of course, AliExpress, eBay, Amazon, everywhere. Some dollar stores, glitters, literally everywhere. And I just put together things that they go with each other, they look good to me, and yeah, these are my custom mixes. So I'm just showing you my process here. What I do is I mix it up, see how it looks. If it looks good to me in the actual little bottle, I then just add some. Clear acrylic. I use Mia Secret clear acrylic, and then that's it. You're done. And then I swatch them. So you'll see the swatches at the end. This is just me mixing my glitters. Right. I'll see you guys at the end. So guys, I have been going back and forth with the idea of maybe selling some of my mixes. I'm not completely there yet. I feel like, I don't know, I have a hard time charging people. It's just one of those things. I don't know. I feel like when you love what you do, it's hard to charge. And I know that sounds backwards. I'm sure you kitties understand what I'm saying. Sometimes it's just, I don't know, I'm just weird, I guess. Let me know if it's not just me. Like, drop a comment. Is it just me who feels like that? Like, is it, especially at first, because like I said, I'm still beginning, so at first it's hard, you feel weird charging. But anyway, I was playing with the idea of charging, creating at least 2 ounces worth of a glitter mix, and charging and selling those. So just let me know. I just want to see what the interest would be. You know, just let me know. You guys drop a comment on my video, on this video, or DM my Instagram. Just let me know what you guys think about that. You know, how do you feel about if I was to do something like that? I just want to know the feedback, the takeaway, before I venture into selling things. And probably I'll be doing the selling like on Amazon or Etsy or something like that. So yeah, drop a comment, guys. Let me know. Yeah, guys, so this is the end result. These are the swatches for the 3 glitter mixes that I did on camera, and I'm going to be showing you 3 other ones I did off camera. But yeah, quick and easy, something that you guys can do just to bring a little something extra to your services. Just make your own glitters. And like I said, you don't have to buy super expensive stuff. Get them from anywhere. Look for your sales, and of course AliExpress. Just be prepared to wait, like I say all the time, for AliExpress items. And you are going to see the giveaway winner coming up, so stay tuned for that one. And drum roll. Thank you guys for participating. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Jenna Heaven, hit me up for your prize. Bye, guys.